Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to another brand new video. So today in this video we're gonna review the latest version of Resurrection Remix for our Redmi Note 8 and Note 8T. As you can see here, its Android version is 10. Resurrection Remix OS version is 8.6.4 official build, and its security patch is also latest 5 November 2020. The ROM is pretty stable. There are a lot of new features included in this ROM, like you can boost the CPU and GPU performance, and you can customize it as you want, as you can see here. So this video is gonna be a bomb. In this video I will show you the whole features, stability, and the overall performance, and I will also show you how you can install it on your Redmi Note 8 and Note 8T. So without any further ado, let's get started. In short, this ROM is all in one, like the battery performance, the overall usage, the gaming performance, every single thing is just amazing in this ROM. Like the overall performance is just amazing and impressive. As you can see here, the app opening speed is also good. It is opening the applications quickly. And in the camera, we get this Mi camera pre-installed right here with all features working. And you can also install any Gcam camera mode from the link in the description. And in the home screen we have the launcher with full customizable functions. Then we have widgets, arrange pages, and styles and wallpapers. In the styles we have one style pre-installed. You can create your own by clicking on the custom button. Then we have the clocks. From here you can select the clock style for your lock screen, as you can see here. And then we have the grid option. Right from here you can change the grid of your launcher. And then we have the wallpaper option. In the wallpaper we have some wallpaper pre-installed, like Resurrection Remix wallpapers. You can apply any of these. After it, every single application and game is working pretty much awesome. Other than that, the overall performance is also pretty awesome, and we have a lot of shortcuts, useful shortcuts in the quick settings. And now let's dig into the settings. In the settings, first of all, we have the network, internet connected devices, resurrection tools. Here we have all available customization. First of all, we have the customizations of the status bar. From here you can manage network indicators, clock and date, notification ticker, battery bar and battery style. And you can also enable or disable the custom logo for the quick setting, status bar. After it we have the system icons, carrier label, status bar weather, status bar gestures, brightness control, and double tap to sleep, which is working fine, and status bar tuner. After it we have the panel settings. In the panel we have the quick settings. From here you can manage the quick settings, and you can also enable the header image right from here in the header. After it we have the recents. You can also enable the slim recents if you are using the 3-button navigation bar. And after it we have the varial panels. You can change its style. I am using the default one. You can change it to MIUI tilde Oreo compact OSIP or default, anyone you want. After it we have the system. From the system you can pick up any accent color for your theme, and you can also pick up any gradient color, as I am using the blue. After it you can manage the buttons and navigation. From here you can enable disable the navigation bar, and you can also switch to any navigation bar style. And from the navigation bar gesture, you can get a lot of advanced features, like you can also hide the navigation bar pill to get the seamless full screen display, and you can also enable or disable the haptic feedback for back keys. After it, we have the show arrow keys and call and some button settings, volume rocker and power button settings. After it, we have the power dialog, and then we have the parts. From here you can change the system profile, charging sound. You can manage the corners, sound, suspend action at smallest width. Then we have the vibrations. From here you can manage the in-call vibration and notification vibration, touch vibration, etc. Then we have the gesture anywhere and pulse and battery optimization. After it, we have the interface. From interface you can manage the fingerprint settings, edge lightning, which is working fine, heads up, dashboard, display size. You can manage the font size. You can manage the theme for your ROM. I am using the restriction clear theme. You can use any one from this list. Then you can pick up the accent color, and you can change the preference switch style. Then we have some other settings, like you can change the font style, you can change the status bar height, UI radius, and you can do a lot of uh, creative things with the UI of this ROM. Then we have the after it, we have the gaming. The gaming performance of this ROM is also pretty amazing, as I show you the performance of PUBG. And here we also have the advanced gaming mode. Then we have the MISC. In the MISC we have some advanced settings. Then we have the lock screen settings. From here you can manage the ambient options and lock screen style, lock screen items, etc. Then you can manage the animations, and in the MISC you can manage the weather charging, and you can also enable the smart charging and updates. After it, we have the battery. The battery performance of this ROM is just amazing. This ROM is just monster ROM. Everything is just amazing in this ROM. And from here you can also enable the extreme battery saver. Then we have display. In the display we have all the same settings from the previous ROMs. And then we have the sound. The sound quality of this ROM is also pretty amazing, because we have the sound enhancing quality technology in this ROM. After it, we have the privacy security. And the security, the fingerprint is just working fine, and here we also have the face unlock technology right here. And as you can see here, it is unlocking the device quickly. The face unlock is also working fine, and here we also have the app locker right here. So this ROM is just a full package. You can set the password on any application without installing any third-party app locker or application. Then we have accounts, accessibility, digital well-being, Google, Xiaomi parts. In the Xiaomi parts we have a lot of settings and configurations to do, like torch, camera, flash, vibration, feedback, and we also have the display color calibration. You can do a lot on these settings. Then you can enable the FPS info overlay, and then we have the backlight dimmer, spectrum profile. From here you can change your profile to performance, battery, gaming, or ultra battery. Then we have the ambient display gestures, and you can also boost the your CPU performance and GPU performance right from here. In the thermal you can control the core control, MSM control, and after it, in the MISC we have low memory killer and some other settings. And here we also have the direct sound enhancer, which will be helpful to enhance the sounding quality. And you can also enable the USB fast charge. After it, we have the system. In the system we have languages and input gestures. In the gesture we have jump to camera, system navigation bar, prevent ringing, skip music track, adaptive playback, date and time, backup, reset option, multiple users, updater. And in the about phone, you can check your Android version, which is the 10. Restriction remix OS version is 8.6 or 8.6.4. Official build for our Redmi Note 8. Its security patch is also latest 5 November 2020. So the ROM is pretty stable and recommended for daily use. So if you want to install this ROM on your Redmi Note 8 or Redmi Note 8T, just download the ROM and GApps from the link in the description, and go to recovery, any custom recovery, go to wipe everything except the internal storage and SD card. Now flash the ROM and GApps reboot, you will be in this ROM. The installing process is same like other ROMs. So hope you guys like this video. If you really did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Peace.